Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Likee application on your smartphone. If you want to sign into your existing Likee account, then first of all, download the Likee application on your smartphone and tap it open. Once you're inside the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the human icon. Now it'll take you to this login section. You can log into Likee with your Facebook account, Apple ID, with your phone number, Google account, VK account, etc. Choose one of the login methods. Make sure to choose the method you originally used to create your account. I'm gonna use the phone option. Type down your credential in the text box. If you've chosen the phone option as well, go ahead and type in your phone number in the text box at the top, but make sure to select your country code. Once you are done, you can then tap on sign up/login with phone. Once you are done, make sure that you check this little circle at the bottom that says I read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and tap on the sign up/login with phone button. Now enter your password for your Likee account in the text box. If you don't remember the password, click on Forgot Password and follow through the prompts. After typing down your password, tap on the login button and there you will be able to log into your Likee account just like that. Once you do that, you'll end up in the home page and you can now start creating or watching content. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.